Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, and please don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you're new to my channel. And so today's video I am doing a St. Patty's Day collab with Miss Galore. Here I have her Instagram and also her YouTube channel, so please make sure you go follow her and see what kind of nail set that she did for her St. Patty's Day. And so we're going to go ahead and get started. So these are the items that I am using. I am using the cookies from Makartt and Femme Beauty. I am using ENC Couture Pull-Off Base. Also, I am using this beautiful nail polish that I got off of Amazon. And I wasn't sure if I was going to use this green or if I was going to use the Madame Glam green. So that's why I'm showing this one, and well, actually that's why I'm showing both of the greens, because I wasn't sure which one I was going to use. So, and also I am using Madame Glam base and top coats, and we're going to go ahead and get started. As you can see, I already have my nails applied, and I already filed and shaped and buffed everything off camera. And the nails that I am using are ENC Couture Extreme Square, which are my and they're my favorites. I always gravitate to those. But as you see right here, I am wiping off all the dust with a lint-free wipe and some alcohol. So make sure you really clean the dust off your nails, because you don't want any dust in your nail polish when you polish your nails, because you will see them on top of your nails. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. First, I will be using Madame Glam's base coat. I like to apply a base coat on my nails before I apply the gel polish, because I feel that it goes on way smoother. For me it does, but when I don't apply a base coat first, it just feels, I don't know, I just feel like it doesn't go on smooth to me. So this is why I always apply my base coat. And I only applied one coat, and I do cure it for 30 seconds. Okay, now that I have my base coat applied, I will be going ahead and apply the cookies from Makartt and Femme Beauty's collab. I think this color is so pretty. It's a very pretty nude color. This is my first time ever wearing nude, but don't tell nobody. But I think it looks really pretty on my skin tone. I think it looks pretty on anyone's skin tone. It goes good with anybody's skin tone. This is a very, very pretty color. And I do cure this for 60 seconds under the light. I do 2 coats, but I am only showing me doing 1 coat on camera, and I do cure it for 60 seconds. Okay, so now that we're all done with that, and I did decide to go with this color instead of the Madame Glam one, because the Madame Glam, I believe, I felt like it was too light for this like color to go with the nude. So I went with this color, and I did get this off of Amazon. Well, actually my daughter bought this for me for Amazon, and the color is like really pretty. But if you use stickers with this color, make sure that you wipe it off with like some alcohol, because I tried to stick some stickers up there and it didn't stick. I don't know why, but this color does bleed. So make sure that you wipe it off with alcohol before you stick any stickers on there, so that your stickers will stick with it, because if you don't, they will not stick. And I did do 2 coats as well. And make sure you clean around your cuticles before you put it in the lamp, because you don't want to get burned. So I did cure this for 60 seconds. Okay, so these stickers I did get off of Shein. It was in one of my Shein hauls, so you can go check out that video. I will link it in the box above. And yeah, I don't know exactly what it says, but I thought they were so cute, so I just went with it. And another thing, make sure when you're getting ready to take the stickers off of the paper, be very careful, because they will rip. I ripped it a couple of times. I don't know if you've seen it in the video, but I just kept it in. But I did rip it, and yeah, they're very thin, and it's really easy to rip. Also, make sure you put these stickers where you want them on your nails, because once these babies stick, they are going to stick. They are not going to come off. I had a hard time with the pinky nail trying to stick the daggone sticker up there first, because the color bled, so I had to wipe it off. And then the sticker was kind of crooked on my nail, so I had to take it off my pinky, and then I had to reapply. So that's why, yeah, just make sure that you have the stickers where you want the stickers, because once they're on, they're not coming off. Okay, so I went ahead and did my pinky off camera, because like I said, I did have a very hard time with the pinky one. And on the pinky, I did add some green gems, like in little flowers. Yeah, I thought that was so cute. And right here I am using Madam Glam's top coat. I love this top coat. It's really thick. It goes on so smooth. I think I only dipped my brush in a jar like maybe 2 or 3 times. That's how thick and smooth it is. I think this is going to be one of my favorite, my go-to everything. So and after I'm done applying the top coat, I will be applying one of the green gems and by my cuticle area. And yeah, that will be it, you guys. So if you stayed this long watching the video, thank you so much. I really do appreciate you. And yeah, so I will be going ahead and applying my cuticle oil, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys on my next upload. Until then, toodles. Also, don't forget to go check out my girl video, see what she came up with her St. Patrick's Day collab. And I hope you all have a good one. Stay safe and God bless.
gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running around chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive, life. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your matrix and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. In the beginning I just didn't know